If you're wondering how to import leads into Apollo.io, you're in the right place. In this quick Apollo.io guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start importing your leads with ease and get your marketing efforts rolling. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, this guide will show you how to make the most of Apollo.io's powerful features. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive way to access Apollo.io for free, along with some additional bonuses. First, let's start by making sure you're logged into your Apollo.io account. Once you're in, the lead import process is simple but powerful. You'll need to go to the Leads section on the main dashboard. From there, look for the Import Leads button, typically found in the top right corner. This button is your gateway to seamlessly adding leads into your Apollo.io database. Apollo.io allows you to import leads through various methods, but the easiest and most efficient one is by using a CSV file. If you've already gathered leads in a CSV format, you're halfway there. To upload your leads, simply click the Upload CSV option. Then choose the file that contains your list of leads. Make sure your CSV file is formatted correctly, with columns for basic details like name, email, company, phone number, and other relevant information. This will ensure that Apollo.io can automatically map these fields to the corresponding sections in your database. Next, Apollo.io will prompt you to map the columns from your CSV file to its database fields. You'll be able to match each column with the correct field in Apollo.io. If the software doesn't automatically detect the field, you can manually map it yourself. It's a straightforward process that will only take a few moments, and once it's done, hit Next to continue. After that, you'll have a chance to review your import. This is a crucial step because you'll want to double-check that everything is lined up perfectly. If there are any mismatches or missing data, you can adjust the import before it's finalized. Once you're confident that everything looks good, click Finish, and your leads will be imported into Apollo.io. Now that your leads are successfully imported, Apollo.io gives you the option to segment and organize them based on various criteria such as industry, location, or lead score. This is where Apollo.io really shines. It allows you to filter your leads and ensure you're reaching the right people at the right time. You can also set up automated outreach campaigns, track engagement, and monitor the performance of your leads all from one place. It's a game changer for any marketer or sales team looking to streamline their lead generation process. One important thing to note is that Apollo.io integrates with other CRM and marketing tools, making it easy to sync your leads across different platforms. So whether you use Salesforce, HubSpot, or another CRM, you can keep everything in sync and make sure your lead management process is smooth and efficient. If you're new to Apollo.io, you might be wondering how to get started. Here's a great tip. You can sign up for Apollo.io for free by clicking the first link in the description below. We've partnered with Apollo.io to offer you exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial that gives you access to all of the platform's top features. This is an incredible way to explore the software and see how it can help you grow your business. To recap, importing leads into Apollo.io is a quick and simple process. Just upload your CSV file, map the fields, review your import, and you're done. Apollo.io's powerful lead management features, including segmentation, filtering, and automated outreach, will help you take your marketing efforts to the next level. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial by clicking the first link below. Happy importing, and I'll see you in the next video.